Hi, today I want to show you this parcel from Amazon Australia. This is the first time I order something from Amazon Australia, although it came from US. You can see the brand name and the model number here. It's not very cheap, but I'm a little bit surprised it doesn't come with a box or something like that, just all in plastic bag. These are some of the manual instruction or whatever. It comes with a pouch and surprisingly feel really cheap product. And this is the headset. I ordered this one because it said it's a USB-C and 3.5 millimeter jack as well. So somehow here I should be able to unplug it. Hang on, let me release this first. Okay, so this is the headset, and here I should be able to, okay, here is the 3.5 jack, and this should be the converter analog to digital and go to the USB. Okay, let me give you a closer look to the item. Here is the brand, and the microphone is the most of the headset. You can push it to this side and or put it to the other side. And here you can adjust the speaker up and down. One thing I want to point out is this 3.5 millimeter jack is a little bit tricky. If you look in the hole here, you can see there's a triangle shape, and here is also triangle. So you just make sure you can plug anything else in here. It won't work. And you can only use this to other device, but this one only allows to plug in this headset. And when you plug it in, make sure you turn it a little bit, otherwise you won't get it in here. So to test the speakers, I have connected it to my Galaxy Z Flip, and I don't think this is designed for mobile phone because the cable is such long, it's very hard to handle with the mobile phone. But anyway, so let's play some music. The sound is really good, and here's the controller. I can push up the volume and reduce the volume. Here is also a mute button for the microphone. So as soon as I activate it, you can see there's a red light and turn it off. And also a button here for pick up the call. There are many features assigned to a single button. I guess I only use it for pick up call and reject call, but there are more features here. So basically you can manage many calls at the same time. In some situation you have to hold the button or press the button twice. If you are interested, you can go to the features here. Let's try out the microphone with the recording on my laptop. Then I can choose the old audio input with the 3.5 millimeter or the USB-C. Let's compare the recordings. Hello, this is audio jack recording 5678. Hello, this is USB-C recording 5678. So my verdict, I'm quite happy with the sound quality of the headphones, And the recording is very nice as well. Because I always have a problem with screencast recording. My voice is always too low. As soon as I turn it up, the noise, background noise, it becomes too loud. And this one is quite nice, but I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy this for the mobile phone because the cable is very long and it's not very soft as well. So it's very hard to carry all these things. But my intention was for my laptop recording, so it's okay. And the other reason I bought this because I was hoping that I can use this for my Rode microphone here. When I bought this one, I was using the recording on my mobile phone, which has a audio jack. Now my Galaxy Z Flip has only USB-C. So this microphone is no longer usable. So I was hoping to use this one to convert it to USB-C, but as you have seen, because of the tricky thing here, it doesn't fit in. If I could get this work, I will make another video. So until now, I'm happy with my headset for my purpose. I hope you find something useful in this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.